Welcome to Brunna Engineering Academy. In this video, we will learn about calculus. In the calculus, maxima and minima concept. We will learn about these two concepts, maxima and minima. This can be helpful for both to gate AM set point of view, E set point of view also. So first, let us solve one problem. This question is asked in GATE 2004. The problem is if x equal to a theta plus sin theta, y equal to a 1 minus cos theta, then dy by dx will be equal to sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, tan theta by 2, or cot theta by 2. So for this type of problems, first of all, here this is dy by dx. So we have to calculate the dy by dx. Here the functions of theta in the form of theta. So for that purpose, our target is writing here dy by dx. dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta, dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So if you calculate this dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta and dx by d theta. So first of all, you have to calculate individually dy by d theta and dx by d theta. So for that purpose, I am taking dy by d theta, dy by d theta. So here d by d theta of what is the dy? What is y? Y is here y equal to a of 1 minus cos theta. So d by d theta of a here it is a into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Later, by doing the differentiation, you have to do differentiate this entire expression. So here, by the simplification, d by d theta into a minus a cos theta, or simply do the differentiation directly. Here, for a into 1 minus cos theta, a into 1 minus cos theta. So for that purpose, I am taking here a minus a cos theta. So d by d theta of a, it is the constant term, so the differentiation is 0. Minus of a cos theta. For a cos theta, a into here for cos theta, the differentiation is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Then you will get minus of minus plus a sin theta. So in this way we get dy by d theta equal to a by sin theta. Next, coming to dx by d theta. dx by d theta. So d by d theta of x. What is x here? X is clearly a into theta plus sin theta. So here that is a into theta plus sin theta. A into theta plus sin theta. So the constant term taken outside a, here theta plus sin theta. So do the differentiation. So d theta by d theta, that is 1 plus d by d theta of sin theta, that means cos theta. So differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Okay. So here this is the dx by d theta. Now coming to the our target point, that is dy by d theta. Dy by d theta is clearly a sin theta by dx by d theta is a 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. So here a gets cancelled. We have, we know sin theta. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2. It is in the form of sine 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. So similarly, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is the formula of 2 cos square theta by 2. These are the fundamental relations. Sin theta means 2 sin theta by cos theta, sin theta 2 by cos theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. So by the simplification here cos square theta by 2, here cos theta by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and the remaining is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So the final answer is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 means tan theta by 2. So it is the final answer. Tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is the final answer. This question is asked in 2004 GATE. Next, maxima and minima. So maxima means, remember one point, while doing f dash of x, here the read the problem. The function f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 2 has its maxima, yet x equal to minus 2 or b x equal to 0, x equal to 3 only, both x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3. So for this type of finding the maxima and minima values, first of all simply write the function. What is that? The function is f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 2. While if in our problem they ask maxima or minima, then simply you have to do the differentiation. First of all, do the differentiation. That is f dash of x. Do the differentiation. 2x cube. The differentiation is 6x square. Next, 6x square minus 3x square, that is minus 6x minus 36x, the differentiation is 36 plus 2. 2 is the constant, so the differentiation is 0. So here f dash of x equal to 6x square minus 6x minus 36. After that, take that as f dash of x equal to 0. Simplify this. What is the common term here? 6 is the common. Then x square minus 6 equal to 0. Then x square minus 3x by the simple mathematics minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Then x is the common term, x minus 3 plus here 2 is the common term, x minus 3 equal to 0. From this we can write x minus 3 into x plus 2. Then what is the the values are x equal to minus 3 and x equal to not minus 3, x equal to 3, x equal to 3, x equal to minus 2. So here we find out the values x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 2. But your target is what is the value of what is the maximum value? Okay, what is the maximum value? So how can you find out the maximum value? For the maximum values, you have to do the expression, this expression, again differentiate f dash of x equal to, so 6x square means that is 12x minus 6x, that is 6 minus 36. that is 0. Constant term, the differentiation will becomes 0. So this is the double differentiation, second differentiation. Then in this expression, you have to substitute these two values, x equal to 3 and x equal to -2. So for that purpose, yet x equal to 3, yet x equal to 3, x equal to 3, then f double dash of x equal to 12 into x means here 3 minus 6, that is 36 minus 6 means 30. Observe this f double dash x is greater than 0, greater than 0. If the f double dash x is greater than 0, then it can be taken as the minimum value. It is the minimum. Okay, next coming to at x equal to -2. So then f double dash of x equal to how much? So here 12 into 12x minus 6. That is 12 minus 2 minus 6. That means minus 24 minus 6. That equal to minus 3. If you observe, it is clearly minus 30 is less than 0. Less than 0 means take it as the maxima. So the given function f of x is maximum at x equal to -2 only. So this is the answer, at x equal to -2 only. At x equal to -2 only, the given function is the maximum. Only the remembering thing is not, it is a very easy, because if they give the function, you have to find out the maximum value and minimum value. Simply do the differentiations. First differentiation, then you get some values, and second differentiation, that values will be substituted in the f double dash of x. Then you get the value. The value is greater than 0, that can be minimum. If the value is less than 0, that can be maximum. That can be maximum. Okay, this question also asked in GATE 2004. Next, coming to one more question, one more problem. The minimum value of function, minimum value of function y equal to x square, y equal to x square in the interval of 1 comma 1 comma 5, 1 and 5. Is it minimum value? So you have to find out the minimum value. 0, 0, 1, 25 are undefined. So you have to find out. Again, the same procedure you have to follow. What is the given function? Y equal to x square. Y equal to x square. And what are the intervals? 1 comma 5. So then y equal to x square. Do first differentiation. That is dy by dx. What is the differentiation? 2x. X square differentiation is 2x. Then that can be equal to 0. Equal to 0 means from that we get x equal to 0. Next, again do the differentiation. That means a second differentiation. Second differentiation is nothing but y double dash of here. Here taking the differentiation, that is d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square equal to 2x. 2x means its differentiation is 2. So it is the greater than 0. This is yet x equal to 0. So here we get x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0. Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to x square. Then y is also 0. Y equal to 0. X equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Then similarly, if x equal to 1, then what will happens? Y equal to x square. It is the function, because 1 and 5 I am taking. Y equal to x square, its value is y equal to 1. Next, coming to x equal to 5. X equal to 5. Then y equal to, what is the function? Y equal to x square. Then its value is 5 square. That equal to 25. 25. Okay. So y equal to 1 here, y equal to 25. So which one is the minimum value? 1 is the minimum value. So at which value we get x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, we get y equal to 1. So here it is y equal to 1. So it is a very simple problem asked previously in the gate examination. This question asked in GATE 2007. Next, let us solve one more problem. Here, yeah, for the function f of x equal to x square into e power minus x. The maximum occurs when x equal to. So that means this function f of x is maximum when x equal to. So you have to find out the maxima value and minima value. So what is the function here? F of x equal to x square e power minus x. So first of all, you have to do the first differentiation. F dash of x equal to. Here, it is in the form of UV, differentiation of UV. So for that, so first x square. What is the differentiation for e power minus x? E power minus x is minus of e power minus x plus e power minus x. We know d by dx of UV. UV means here u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So apply the same thing. So x square into differentiation of the second term. Next, first term into differentiation of the second term. So what is the differentiation of x square? That is 2x. So by the simplification, here e power x is the common term. So e power x, e power minus x is the common term. Then 2x minus x square. So it is the f dash of x. F dash of x. So generally to find out the maximum and minimum, f dash of x equal to 0. So then e power minus 0. So e power minus of, that means we have to take that that can be equal to 0. So for that e power minus x into 2x minus x square equal to 0. Equal to 0. So by the simplification, we have to do simple mathematical simplification. That is e power minus x equal to 0. And that second term is 2x minus x square equal to 0. Then we get the common term is here x 2 minus x equal to 0. We get two values x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Two values we get x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Now we have to do again second differentiation. Second differentiation to this one. So that is f double dash of x equal to, here what is f dash of x? What is f dash of x? F dash of x equal to e power minus x 2x minus x square. So you have to know f double dash of x to find out the maximum and minimum value. Maximum and minimum value. So first we have to do the differentiation. Again apply the same thing. D by dx of uv means u into du by dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So first term e power minus x d by dx of d by dx of d by dx of the second term. So for that second term, Second term, what is the differentiation of 2x? That is 2 minus x square differentiation is 2x plus what is the second term? 2x minus x square into what is the differentiation of second term here? That is minus e power minus x, e power minus x. Next, later we have to do the simplification. What is the common term here again? E power minus x is the common term. So then by the simplification, 2 minus 2x, 2 minus 2x, here plus 2x minus x square. So e power minus x, e power minus x into here 2, that is 2, take the term, minus 2x means minus 4x, minus 4x, here minus of x square. By the simplification we get here, multiply this minus, so we get plus x square. So here plus x square. So e power minus x, it can be written as x square minus 4x plus 2. X square minus 4x plus 2. So this is the f double dash of x. F double dash of x, that can be equal to 0. That can be equal to 0. Where here we get the values of x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So yet x equal to 0, what is the result? We have to observe f double dash of x equal to, then e power minus 0 x square, that is 0 square, minus 4 into 0 plus 2. So finally you get e power minus 0 means 1, 0 square 0 minus 0 plus 2. We get f double dash of x equal to 2. It is greater than 0. Next, coming to at x equal to 2. Coming to at x equal to 2. So f double dash of x equal to, here e power minus 2, e power 2, here is, here it is the e power minus 2, minus 2. Here x square means 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 2. So here what is this value? E power 2 power 4 means e power minus 2. Here 2 power 4 means 16 minus 8 plus 2. Then we get the value is e power minus 2, 16 minus 88 plus 2, that is 10. Here what to say, 2 for 4. Here not 2 power 4, it is 2 square, x square. X square means here 2 square. 2 square is nothing but it is 8. 8 minus 8, here 8 minus 8, 0 plus 2. So remaining term is 2 power 2 into e power minus 2. 2 into e power minus 2. Okay. So we get this value. So it is the minus term e power minus 2, 2 square, 4 minus 8 plus 2. So by the simplification here, minus 4 to plus 4 plus 2, 6 minus 8 minus 2 e power minus 2. It is clearly less than 0. If this is the greater than 0 is this value is the minimum. If it is less than 0, if it is the less than 0, here it is less than 0 clearly, it is the maximum. Maximum at x equal to 2 and minimum at x equal to 0. So what is your option here? The option is here they ask the maximum value. So where we get the maximum? Maximum is at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, we get the maximum. So these are the some models to find out the maximum values and minimum values. The if you observe this video, you can get the to find out the maximum or minimum. To find out the maximum or minimum, simply take the function f of x and do the differentiation, and that can be first differentiation that can be equal to 0. Then you find out x values. We find out x values. After that, that values will be substituted in f double dash of x equal to 0. Then f double dash of x, that can be f double dash of x. Simply this x value is substituted in f double dash of x. Then you get some parameter. Suppose the parameter is a. If that parameter is greater than 0, that is the minimum value. If the parameter is less than 0, then that value is the maximum value. So it is a very simple concept to solve the problems in the gate concept point of view, especially. Simply take the function f of x, do the first differentiation, and find out the values of x, and substitute that values in the f double dash of x. Then you get the parameters. A is that value is greater than 0, then you take it as the minimum value. If that is less than 0, take that as the maximum value. In the next video, we will solve some more problems on the maxima and minima. It is just a practice session on the maximum and minimum values. Okay, if you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe our Pranda Engineering Academy channel. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.